Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
We've been at the beach for the longest while right now. That's Courtney and his nephew. What you gotta say to the people?
Babysit. Look.
You're not babysitting.
Hello.
Hello.
Say something for the camera.
We've been at the beach for the longest. As you can see, we got a tan. Drinking some Heineken. What you gotta say? Give me a kiss. Beach is no joke, y'all. They've been ducking people all day. I'm not here for the ducking. I can't swim.
Don't paint me thankless. Just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance. Still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me or tell me the way that you're feeling. I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing.
Come here. No, it's not here.
Oh,
say hi.
That's just how it
Hi,
goes.
what's your name?
Maybe there's parts of you
Well, you say you want water?
that I'll never know.
In your castle? Right there, where your castle is? Go make Uncle Courtney make your castle.
Come on, man, go see me. I'll go.
Maybe there's
Uncle
parts
Courtney go
of
make
you
some castles.
that I'll never know.
We are at the beach, y'all. Last time you saw us, we were somewhere. But now we're at the beach. And some more today. You don't want to float away now, right? Right, baby? You want what? A toy? How much for you? So I asked babe, why aren't we as lovey-dovey as them new couples? And he's like, because we're past that stage. Did you seriously say we're past that stage? Huh?
What stage? What stage?
The lovey-dovey stage.
Don't paint me thankless. Just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance. Still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me or tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh, that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.